Hello everyone, good day. What is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programmer language with dynamic syntactics developed by Kodjo von Sorom. It was originally released in 1991, designed to be easy as well as fun. The name Python is nod to the British comedy group Monty Python. So, what is the next? Ang Python programming language ay binubuo ni Kodjo von Rossum nung huling bahagi ng dekada 18 nung siya ay isang manaliksik pa lamang sa Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica or Centre for Mathematics and Computing Science as Amsterdam, Netherlands. Sa katunayan, nabuo ito bilang isang proyekto para may mapagkaabalahan lamang si Kodjo sa kanyang Christmas vacation noong Disyembre 1989. Di naglaon, naging bahagi ito ng proyektong Omega CW at inirelease sa publiko ito noong Pebrero 1991. So, si Kodjo von Rossum ay siya ang gumawa ng Python programming language noong 1991. And then, yung pag-download pala guys ng pag-installation ng Python is nandyan po sa background natin. Sundin nyo na lang guys. Thank you.